Moya ukiri ugima wa mwire buri na kinya kaunti ya Meru sibitari ya St. Teresa's Kirumission irurite college na mwakira nende ari 50 obatiandikithitio wita skuru kuthomera kosi ya urigitani akira kaita akagurure college minister ugima kaunti ya Meru Dennis Mugambi awite thirikari ya Meru ikawatambaru skuru Gakimutegi na Ntetonkuloki
kenda gutigera ugima bwa mwiri bukuraithirwe na njira ya mwanya sibitari ya St. Teresa Kiru barugurite college ya kurutana mandagitari neo St. Teresa Medical Training College Kirua na mworoto gutigera nkinya ntori ya Kirua gukura na nkinya ire njira imwe ya youth kuona wira.
We are glad today as we launch officially and open the college which was approved to train Kenya Registered Community Health Nursing Basic Program, and we have already enrolled 50 students who are already on board, ready to start their lessons beginning next week on Monday. And we are happy and thank St. Teresa Mission Hospital as we realize our goal in the strategic plan to open a medical college.
Itogweretwe muno twe board ya St. Teresa Kiru Mission Hospital and na twena kogwero kwingene nto bwa ntukwe okinya inauguration of medical training college of St. Teresa Hospital Kiru. We are very excited dinawete kyobo bwinge muno ati school weje ikaleta development na mawega ja maingi muno to the Kirua, the whole of Kirua location and the whole of Bore and the country at large. This school is going to be one of our icon training centers. Ikaleta mawaidha na ikaleta ikongera ngugi ikongera na betu kuthoma
mwankira thino rito 50 ibakinyite cukuru ino na nara murugamiri munene wa cibitari ino ya St. Teresa Sister Agnes Nkatharutite kirira kiria na baba kiuga.
We are not just looking for a nurse. We are not just looking at giving adding another nurse. Ni sawa? But we are looking at that nurse that will be able, moved by love, do something to the patient. Not just as St. Teresa because we not absorb left of you, but wherever you go there should be an ambassador of love which is merciful.
Ikiathokera gigukinyiti waziri wa ugima bwa mwiraga kaunti ya Meru ndagitari Dennis Mugambi na nkurukia kiuga bota kaunti ya Meru bagatigira bakuwatambaru cukuru ino.
Atujete aja kuga congratulations kana kongole ke management ya cibitari ici na tuge step weje yombete kujukwa nandi bati to kuigwa twena gucokeria Murungu nkatho muno na kwithwa twena gintu gigucikumiria ati aja Kirua nandi aritwa bakethwa bagitraina aja kuma Kenya kunthe betho nandi bakwithwa bagiproduce nurses na class kia mbere kina nurses tayari 50 baraba bakuthomera nursing na kagita kala tukwaraia na sister akumbira ninya twi thirikari county government ya Meru agatwa arito bangi 12 kenda batunya twingona ndi tumbe ikwethurwa ana bara betu bena ara nture na bara batina uwezo twetho itukuba sponsor betho riba kumba kuthomera school weje ko bora tukwenda kuga itunenkanire tayari cibitari cietu ithatu twi thirikari Meru county na cibitari ucio ithatu ikethwa cie training kana arito baba geta inyabongo na aria ke practicals ciao bakethwa bakumba kuthiria cibitari cietu kuma health center monka cibitari retu Meru Teaching and Referral Hospital
kuma gicigombunge kia Bore ngiripotera nteto cia weru ni ukambitaga Ki Mutegi.